Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I am going to show you how to fix error code Vin68 in Valorant. If you're ready, let's move on to the first step. Type command prompt in the search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator. First, type ipconfig /flush DNS into the command prompt and press enter. Then type ipconfig /renew and press enter. Finally, type netsh winsock reset and press enter. You can now close the command prompt. Let's move on to the next step. Type control panel in the search bar and open it. Click uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard on the page that opens. Right-click on it and select uninstall. Click the Yes button and uninstall Vanguard. Don't worry, we'll reinstall it. As a final step, run the Riot client. Click the Valorant icon. Click the Update button and reinstall Vanguard. This doesn't take much time. After completing the Vanguard installation, remember to restart your computer. I hope this tutorial on how to fix the Van68 error code in Valorant was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.